Good morning, good morning. Listen, today what I want to go over is you did load calculation, you did branch circuit calculation to tell you how many branch circuits you have for a 20 amp, 15 amp. You know how to calculate for a 30 amp, how many branch circuits you may need. What I want to talk about is key factor in winding up a residential home and then you're probably load calculation. I want to talk about this here. I want to show you how easy the process is to wind up a house. All right. Right. Not only wind up a house, but just wind up almost anything. So, well, any one receptacle we have what's called a regular receptacle, right? We have a receptacle, right? What's another type of receptacle we have? 30. Huh? 30 amp receptacle. What's another receptacle we have? ESCI. What's another one? That's it. These are the three receptacles, right? The laundry room, outside any wet area, and then a regular receptacle, right? Now, what are the type of switches do we have? Now, these are receptacles. What type of switches do we have? We have a single pole, right? We have what? Three-way, right? Four-way, right? What's another one? I seen one with the receptacle and the switch with a switch receptacle, right? Is there another one? Got single pole, three-way, four-way, um, switch to receptacle. Those are usually, where would you see this at? A single pole switch panel in a residential home. In your bedroom, single pole, one switch, right? I got right here. Where would you see a three-way at in your residential home? Huh? Upstairs and downstairs. Go upstairs, there's a switch, come downstairs. Where would you see a four-way? You might see a four-way in the living room, next to it in the garage, right? Then switch to receptacle. What's the switch to receptacle? That's gonna switch. So you have a receptacle, right? And you have the switch, right? That switch controls a part of the receptacle. You guys never done that before? Who have done that before? It controls a part of the receptacle, which if you plug the light up, it can control the light on and off. All right? So these are all the switches that you have in a residential home. And these are all the receptacles that you have in a residential home. Right? The thing I want to talk about is a 30 amp receptacle. You have two different 30 amp receptacles. Can anybody tell me what made these two different? One is a four prong, one is a three. One had two hots, a neutral and a ground, and one had two hots and a neutral with no ground. Right? They don't use these no more. These are in old homes. right? But they use it. But if you see this in the old house, and you got to interchange it with one of these. But if you can upgrade it, or from upgrade it, all right? Because you see how in the back it has two hots, a red, black, a neutral, and a ground. So in this one, it has a red, black, a neutral, right? And there'd be no ground. Huh? Because you have to create the ground. You have to put a ground screw in it and then ground it to another box. And this one you don't have to because the ground is already implicated on the system. So these are for what? It was riders, right? Or sometimes you go into a building and you have a four-prong air conditioner, like in a barber shop. You may see one of these. So understand what you have to do is follow for the thunder, and it'll tell you on it. It'll say hot, Lucy Grant, right? Come on, right? So these two are. So the goal is we've been going through load calculations, and we kind of understand that. This is the other morning quote. Greatness is in the man if you choose to get it, right? That's a quote. My man told me to start putting posts up. I didn't talk about it last week. So if you want to be great, that got to be the thing, all right? So these are the switches that we're going to do. And if you can wire up all of these here, then you can pull the wire as easy. Once you get to the box, all you got to do is you read through the switch to receptor. This is the switch to receptor. Four-way, you know what that is. Three-way, you know what that is. Single port, you know what that is. Receptacle, you know how to wire a single receptacle. 30 amp receptacle. That is a 30 amp receptacle. Right? What we're going to be wiring up is a 12-prong 30 amp receptacle. You have the GFCI. Right? A GFCI is the ground fault circuit interrupt. That is where you put in what? A GFCI.
Where there is.
A GFCI.
Yeah. Where there is.
Where would you put it at?
Laundry, outside.
Right. And all wet and moist areas. A regular receptacle, you're going to put this in the living room, hallways, and stuff like that. You give me a 30 amp receptacle, where would you put that at? The laundry room.
Laundry.
Right. That would be going in the driveway. Right? If you can wire up all of these, you can do that. So with this one here, all you're doing is you're running you're taking power that comes in and you're jumping it. Right? You're tying this hot together. Right? And then you're jumping it to the red, and the red will come down here, and the black will come here. So what I'm going to do is, whoever wired up a switch to a receptor, they can need to wire it up right there, right? Then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to let everybody else go to the last. Everybody got to do these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right? Right. And listen, stop sharing your pictures. Because guys are sharing their pictures and thinking they're getting over. Do your lab, let me see it. I don't want no pictures. Guys are taking pictures of other people's work and sharing it. I need that. Picture. So everybody, let's go to the lab. You got to do a single pole. You got to show me that. You listening, guys? You got to do a three-way. You got to show me that. You got to do a four-way. You got to show me that. Then you got to do a receptacle. Then you gotta show me a 30-amp receptacle. Matter of fact, hold off on the 30-amp receptacle. Cause I'm gonna wire it up over here while you guys over in the lab, and then I'm gonna teach you. And then we're gonna wire up the GSCI. You gotta show me this. Just see it. Come and look at it. I'm move on. See it, come look at it, move on. All right? Thank you for the change. Take a, If I told you you number line, I need you know, receptacle to, if I said receptacle to treasury, you need to put a box there. Put a box there, and come down and put a receptacle, and then make the receptacle work off of, the switch. We'll put a, another box. On the wall. Yeah, right. Right. Ground. Then go on to the top. Building. Ready to got it. Well, okay, it's good. Yeah. I tell you what, I came back out of there. No, we could have gone. Oh, wow. Yeah. That sounds. Yeah. It's a good thing done.